In this video, we are going to see shortcuts in multiplication. So, these shortcuts in multiplication will be extremely useful for students who have difficulty in multiplying big numbers. So, in the successive videos, we will go into we will see how multiplication for bigger numbers is to be done. Now, we will start with the smaller numbers. Okay. Now, for example, take 8 into 6. So, in order to know the answer, we have to take the closest number. So, here the closest number to 8 and 6 is 10. So, in this case, the step 1 is 10 into 8. That is the reference number. So, this 10 is called as a reference number. Reference number. This 10 minus 8, again 10 minus 6. So, in this case, we get 2 and 4. So, below 8 we have to write 2 and below 6 we have to write 4. Okay. Then step 2 is 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. We can either do one of these. When we minus the value, for both these values, we will get the same answer. Okay. Then step 3 is 2 into 4. That is 2 into 4 is equal to 8. So, this common number 8 minus 4 is equal to 4 and 2 into 4 is equal to 8. So, 8 6 are 48. So, we will see one or two more examples. Okay. Next, 7 into 8. Now, we will see 7 into 8. So, same thing. 10 minus 7 is equal to 3. 10 minus 8 is equal to 2. Step 2 is 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. Step 3 is this. So, this 5 you have to write it here. Then 3 into 2 is equal to 6. 8 sevens are 56. Then we will see one more example. 7 into 9. 10 minus 7 is equal to 3. 10 minus 9 is equal to 1. 7 minus 1 is equal to 6. 3 into 1 is equal to 3. 9 sevens are 63. Okay. So, 8 into 9 we will take. That is 10 minus 8 is equal to 2. 10 minus 9 is equal to 1. 8 minus 1 is equal to 7. 9 minus 7 is 2 is equal to 7. So, we write it as common value. Then 2 into 1 is equal to 2. 9 8s are 72. So, friends, I hope you would have understood this multiplication method. But our objective is to know the multiplication of larger numbers. So, this is the procedure we are trying to learn with a single digit. In the successive videos, we will be going to the double digit number and triple digit number. If you have any doubts, I will be happy to clarify you. Please write it in the comment section. Those who are not subscribed, kindly subscribe and share, friends. Thank you. We will see you in the next video.